guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cake topper. I really hope you enjoy, and also have a look at my next week's video and I will show you how to make this beautiful cake. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Of making this cute teddy bear cake topper. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.